Sean Maher, 1514961. In this question, we're asked to construct an ellipse using the Trammel method. I'm given dimensions. No. Okay. So, using the Trammel method, if I was to use my Trammel here, right? So this line is representing my Trammel for whatever size ellipse I was to create. We will label these O, A, and B. So, sorry. Come on. Okay. So, we've A, B, O. So, the first distance, A to O, is representative of our major axis. So that's the first distance you're going to measure using your Trammel. The second distance, O to B, will be your minor axis. And then using our Trammel, we then have A sitting on the minor axis, whereas B sits on the major axis. And always sitting on the 2 points, we rotate it around the whole way around the thing. So, using that, we're going to construct an ellipse, any size will do really. So, get back to my pencil. So we have an ellipse that is 6. We'll go with the 20. So 6 to 22. What's that? 6 to 22. 40, 80, 60. There we go. Third time lucky. And we're marking our center point, so 8 out. So that's representative of the major axis. Okay? And we'll do a minor axis of, say, 4 to each side. So, error of parallax, be sure to be looking right down on it. And do it again. So that's our major and our minor. Now, for the Trammel, you can use piece of paper ending that all is straight. I'll just after simply putting a bit of tape on my ruler. So, it's not even long enough. So, what I'm going to do now that it's not long enough is use one of these, come on. Now, so we have our A, O as shown, so that'll be our A to O, and then B to O is our minor axis. Okay. Yeah. A. Sorry. This is B. Now, and it only needs to be half, so that's it. So you only take it from half, it's not the full length. You're going to work it around so. Okay, so I'm going to start all the way over here, so keeping this on the minor axis, B on the major. There's 1 point, again on the major and the minor. There's another point. Gonna try and move it on now a bit more. Another point. Now it's staying. Another point. Another point. Another point. Now as you see, A has slid up onto the top part of the minor axis. B is still on the major axis. There's 1 point. Another point. Another point. There we go. There. There. And there. So now we can trace out our ellipse. Be easier on a drawing board because you can move it about. I don't have my drawing board with me. And you get the gist. So again, go for our pen and put in the heavy outline. And that right there is our ellipse for the given major and minor axis. Using our Trammel A, B, O, and again B to O for the minor, and A to O for the major.